So this beach is a bit cleaner now, because I've seen people cleaning up the garbage brought on shore by the waves of the sea. And there are two big bulldozers that are helping to get and to move all the garbage around. So it's cleaner now, at least. But still there is some garbage left. Here there is much more garbage. And now there's a dog barking at me for some reason. I don't think it wants me to disturb his garbage. He's protecting his garbage. I wouldn't walk barefoot here like other people do. That's why I'm wearing something on my feet. Speaking of dogs, actually one can find dog poo around these beaches because there are many dogs. Actually there can be seen in the sand dog footprints. So there are dogs walking around here and doing, you know, their business. And if you're not careful, you can step in some dog poo. What's that? Archer?
Huh?
An archer? What?
Like this?
Dart?
For mosquito.
Ah, to catch the mosquitoes.
Yes. After you
Yeah,
make
actually I need something for mosquitoes. Like a sarbacana.
Yes,
Oh,
sarbakan.
sarbacana,
Yeah,
yeah.
bola mustik.
Yeah.
Kado Bali, bro.
This is something in Bali here?
Yeah.
Or is something more modern?
Maybe like this after you play.
What's this?
This one. After bola biong.
Ah, for the airplane to package, yeah.
But this not
'cause,
too big like this.
maybe they won't allow me in the airplane with this stuff.
No problem, because this bamboo.
They will say I want to catch some people in the airplane with the...
This for souvenir, dekorasi hang in the wall.
Yeah, I know. How much is this?
This only Bang Euro. Bang Euro.
Bang?
20 euro.
20 euro?
Just like 300,000 rupees.
Yeah, something like
Or
that.
Song rupees. After the like this one.
Yeah.
Okay. This is bamboo, boss.
Mhm, yeah,
Bamboo.
seems like bamboo.
Yeah, it's bamboo everything. After, when you bring like this, this is bola place. So
Mhm.
like this. 1, 2. After pola decoration. After when you blow.
Interesting. So is this something here traditional in Bali,
Yeah,
or
traditional
it's
Bali.
more?
Bamboo.
And here, how do you call it?
Tuluk, tuluk.
Tulup.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Where you from, boss?
I'm from Romania.
Oh, Romania.
And the archery.
This also can make small like this. Practice. This is for decorasi, okay, for hunting.
Yeah, for
Memory Bali.
memories in Bali.
Yeah, memory.
From hunting mosquitoes, memories. And
This is for decor, nice one. After when you bring like this one, boss.
and you handmade the stuff, right?
This is handmade, this one, not machine, handmade.
So yes, I ended up buying the Sarbacana and the archery bow. Yeah, I know. But there's actually good craftsmanship in them. They're handmade and look nice. I mean, the people who made them. It's actually his uncle, the guy's uncle who is making these objects of art. So yeah, I think it's worth it, and nice memories. Nice memories of hunting mosquitoes here in Bali. And I hope that I won't have problems in the airport at security check. Hopefully they won't consider these as weapons.